Alright, so we have a furniture flip here. They got this off Facebook Marketplace, and then they're adding some tiles. Oh, they're doing the pastel trend with the purple. This is really cute. Oh, wow. Love the styling. So fun. Such a cool DIY. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making a clock. I can't wait to see how this turns out because it looks like a really cool idea. Oh, wow! That is so much fun. I love the color scheme. I absolutely adore it. Trying the squiggle light trend. I didn't even know this was a thing. So she got some flexible LED lights for this. I just had a thought, how cool would that look with like a dress? Oh, neon orange, pink, green, yellow. Very cool. Then we have a tile table. So I'm thinking about doing a part 2 for this video, the tile trend. It's so huge right now. I absolutely love this trend. And I love it with the pastel colors the best. So I think someone's making like a side table or something with this one. Not feeling this green color though. Kind of reminds me of like, I don't know. It's just not a green color I personally would gravitate to. And let me know in the comments below, have you tried the tile trend out yourself? Oh, that's a cute side table. Even though I don't like the color, I think the overall shape is cool. So I thought that this was pretty cool. So they bought like these disco balls and put them in a gumball machine. How cute is that? Such a fun statement decor piece to put in your home. Absolutely love this idea. And then she has like different sizes too. That is so cool. Alright, an IKEA hack. So that was the inspiration, doing a table. She painted the base matte black. Oh, she's using hers for storage too. Very smart. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Renter-friendly wallpaper. This is, ooh, that is a unique design. Wow. So I'm guessing this is like some type of peel and stick. I would be really nervous about using this though in an apartment or a house you're renting. You just fingers crossed that this will come off easily. Oh, it looks like it does. Yeah, because she was able to take it off and then re-stick it, so. This is such a bold design. Wow. Yeah, so you definitely just do like a statement wall with that, because Can you imagine all 4 walls being done with that wallpaper? That would be like too extreme. Statement wall is good though. Alright, looks like another furniture flip. So they have some type of dresser here. Okay, so she sanded that down. You know what? She might just be doing like a restoration for this because it doesn't look like she's going to paint it, but we'll see. Wow. What a transformation. Oh, I actually really like the fact that she just restained it and restored it. It looks so pretty, like brand new. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of today's videos. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.